Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between OPPO F9 Pro and the Xiaomi's Mi A2. Now before we get started, these are the specifications of both phones and these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now for the speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. Now let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both phones, but with that said, OPPO F9 Pro was slightly faster for most of the applications, at least by a few milliseconds. So in the speed test, OPPO F9 Pro is the winner. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps on both phones in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how they perform. Now in the memory management round, Mi A2 was able to keep more apps in memory. So I'll pick Mi A2 as the winner. So guys, for the final gaming speed test, I'll open the last few games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. I'm just going to fast forward it a bit to make it quick. Now while opening games, there wasn't a huge difference between both phones. Now with that said, OPPO F9 Pro was slightly more faster for most of the applications. So guys, on the whole, OPPO F9 Pro is definitely performing better than Mi A2 and with a future update, memory management might improve as well. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag #GreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.